Hey guys, Cece here. Hope you guys are doing well today. And today I'm sharing with you guys a thredUP rescue box haul. Woohoo! So I haven't made a video in a little while and I've just been kind of busy doing some home renovations. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I just recently did my counters and they look amazing. I'm really happy with them. And yeah, I've just been kind of busy just getting stuff done. Tax season, just little errands and things around the house. And for those of you guys who don't know, I do sell on Poshmark as well. I've sold on Poshmark for a while, but here within the last month or two, I've been like more serious about it. I've been like reselling a lot of items and going thrifting, finding different items to resell. And one of the things I did the last time that did really well on my Poshmark is buying a thredUP rescue shoebox. And so I bought another one. And I filmed my first one, but I never posted it because I think it was like later in the day, the lighting was totally crap, and I just honestly just didn't want to post it. So I thought I'd do it again. I was really happy with my last box that I got from thredUP. That was a shoe rescue box. I got all size 8.5, and that's what I did again this time. That way, in case anything fits me, I can keep it if I like it. But if I don't like it, or if I don't care for it, it's not my style, I'll sell it on my Poshmark. And the last time I got a lot of like athletic shoes, a few heels, and one pair of Manolo heels, which I actually sold for a pretty good amount of money on my Poshmark, so I was really happy with that. And this time, I don't know what I'm going to get. So really quickly, this rescue box was $38 because I got free shipping. And basically what it is, for the $38, you get 7 pairs of shoes from their rescue boxes. I guess it's just kind of like people send some stuff in. Maybe they decide not to put it on the website, so they throw it in a rescue box and people buy them. And they're perfect for reselling because you don't really have any emotional attachment to them. But sometimes you might watch some thredUP rescue box videos and you'll notice people get some not so good items, and sometimes they get some really awesome items. Got really lucky with my last box, but I don't know what's in this box. I don't know. So it could be awful, it could be good. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and dive right in. They also have clothing rescue boxes, jewelry rescue boxes, scarves, dresses, all kinds. So if you're into shopping secondhand, thredUP is a really good place to go, and I'll try to leave the link down below. But yeah, I got this really big box in because I got the 7 pairs for $38. They also have like a 250 pairs for like $100-something or something. Big box, huge box. Let's open this up. And last time they were packaged really nicely, and I'm pleased to say that they're packaged really nicely again this time. So I'll let you guys see. It looks really good. And there's always an invoice here on top. Rescue box, 7 pairs of shoes, size 8.5. So yeah, let's open this up and see what we got in here. Looks like some of them have fell out of this tissue paper, which actually I think I might reuse this tissue paper. I think this would be really cute, and it'd be nice to like just not throw it away and actually reuse it. So I think I'm gonna do that for my Poshmark. And I will leave my Poshmark closet down below if you guys are interested in buying anything on there. I like to price my items very affordably. I like to price them so that people can afford to get them. I know a lot of people like to inflate their prices on Poshmark. That is so not me. So far I can already see there's some pretty good stuff in here, but let's see what we got. Okay, wow. So some of these have fell out of the tissue paper and they're kind of all over the place, but let's open this first pair up. So these all should be size 8.5. Okay, so this first pair is really cute. I really like these. They are a little bit dusty. I don't know, they must have been sitting in somebody's closet. You guys can't see, but these are really cute. They're size 8.5, BCBG generation, I think is what these are called. They're size 8.5. Cute, really cute. I like them. They're black. These are super cute. I almost kind of think I want to keep these for myself just because I really need a pair of shoes like this. These are very versatile. Heels not too big. They zip up in the back. Really good condition. Sometimes you'll find that the rescue boxes have like flaws. Sometimes they'll have like scratches or stains, but these look perfect. There's like pretty much no wear on these. Really cute. Let's check out the other one. Zipper works. These look really good. These have not even really been worn. I mean, they're pretty much new. So these look excellent. I may end up keeping those for myself because I just really like them. They're really cute. So those are really nice. If I decide, like, or if I don't fit into them, I will sell them. And I don't know exactly what I'll price them at, but these could go for a pretty good amount because they're a really nice brand. And they're very clean. They look perfect. So actually, I was gonna say these look like they could be leather, but I don't think they are. I think they might be like partially leather. Okay, let's open up this next one. Looks like another pair of heels. A pair of stiletto heels. Okay, these are cute. These are not bad. So these are a pair of Jessica Simpson stiletto heels, I'm gonna say. Looks like they kind of go around your foot and then you probably like tie them up like that. So really cute. These are very cute. Black. They're pretty tall, size 8.5. There's a little bit of mark in here, but it's not really anything that I couldn't clean up. It's just like maybe a little bit of mark from somebody wearing the shoes. Not really much scuffing, just a tad bit right there. These look cute. Okay. 2 pairs of black shoes. These also look good. Looks like somebody just bought these and never wore them because they really don't have much wear at all. Just maybe a tiny bit of wear there on the back. These look really good condition. I think I should be able to get a pretty good amount for these. I might try to see if I can sell them for maybe like 20 something. Maybe around there, 19. So those are really good. That's 2 really good shoes so far. Okay, let's open up this next pair. Okay, this pair looks interesting. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, these are nice. So these are size 9.5. These are not my size. Sometimes you will get things that are not your size in these rescue boxes. I don't know if they just like run out or what, but honestly, if these are too big for me, I'll definitely be able to sell these. These are Michael Kors, and they're this like little wedge sandal. Looks like maybe a wood wedge. They do have the Michael Kors thing there on the back. Last time I got a pair of nice shoes, and this time I did too, so maybe they try to do that every time. These do look like they might be big on me, so I don't think I'll be keeping these for myself. But they're very clean, really don't have much wear at all to them. Really cute. The bottoms are kind of worn, but honestly, it's the bottoms, and the tops look great. So yeah, if I don't end up keeping these, I'll definitely be selling them. The ones that don't fit me, of course, will be going in the Poshmark. But these are really cute. They're pretty good. They're not too worn, and they're a good brand. So those will definitely sell for a good amount. Okay, we got a next pair in here. Let's see, looks like we got some Sperry's. Take these out. Okay, so these are a pair of Sperry top-sider shoes. Again, don't really look like they're worn. Look pretty new there. The inside looks very clean. The writing has kind of worn off there, but that's not a really big deal. Other than that, really cute. These look like some really good shoes. Let's see what the size is. 8.5, so that's good. Yeah, these are actually pretty good. These do not have much wear to them. They're good condition. They're Sperry. So I don't know that these are really my style. I'm not really sure that I would really want to keep these. I'll try all these on, but I'm just not really sure. I'm not really much of a Sperry person, to be honest with you. They're cute, but the color is kind of like not my favorite. But Honestly, if I don't end up keeping these are definitely going on the Poshmark. These are gonna sell for a really good amount, and yeah, people pay good money for Sperry's. Okay, I think we got 2 more pairs in here. Yep, 2 more pairs. So this next pair is a pair of Toms. And these I know for a fact I won't be keeping because I am just not a fan of Toms. I just don't think they're good looking shoes. I just don't care for them. But they do sell for a good amount. They're 8.5. And these are also in pretty good condition. The bottoms are slightly worn. Color is like a chestnut brown. Insides are very clean, really clean. Got all the writing still on there. Make sure this other one looks good. And I don't really care too much about the bottoms because people don't really care about that. But these are really clean, really clean. Whoever's shoes these are, they are super clean. These are gonna go for a good amount as well. Okay, nextly in here, this looks like a pair of boots. Okay, I've never gotten boots before in a rescue box. And those other shoes in there are super cute. We'll get to those here in a minute. Okay, so these look like a pair of tan boots. These are Rock and Candy brand. They're cute, but I don't know. I just don't see myself keeping these, but they're not bad. So they lace up. Make sure they're size 8.5 too. Oh, looks like you can roll down this, like the rim there. That's cute. Actually looks better, I think, when you roll it down because you get that detail. Rock and Candy by Ziggy. Okay. And the size should be 8.5, but I can't really tell. But I'm pretty sure they're going to be 8.5. They do have some scuffing here. See, I always like to list all these things on Poshmark. They're okay. I mean, they've definitely been worn in. They've got some scuffing here on the front. So I'm not going to sell these for a whole bunch because honestly, I think they're a little bit more worn than some of the other shoes that are in this box. This one, a little bit worn as well. Not too bad. I mean, they're not awful for boots, but they'll go for probably around $10 or so. I think I'll probably be able to sell them. So that's not too bad. I'd still get more. I'm definitely making my money back in this box. So that's good. That's what I care about. And the last pair of shoes in here are extremely cute, but I don't think I could ever possibly wear these shoes. These are so high and they look so uncomfortable that I just do not think I could ever wear these. These are the Gianni Beanie brand. They look like they're just maybe slightly worn there on the bottom, but these are what they look like. They're really cute. They're super cute. I love the colors. They're not very worn at all, really. They're actually in pretty good condition. Could use a little bit of cleaning. They got these like little clear side panel areas there. Very cute, very cute. These will definitely sell. The colors are amazing. But honestly, I love blue. It's my favorite color, but I just do not think I could ever wear these shoes. These are so tall. I'm not, I mean, I'm a short person. I'm only like 5'3", but I'm not comfortable wearing these kind of shoes. But it's nice because they are leather, so that's really nice. This one does have a little bit of scuffing there on that suede, so I'm going to see if I can try to brush that out. But honestly, really good condition. Really pleased with this box. I'll definitely be able to make my money back, and I think I might actually be able to keep a pair of shoes for myself because I really like these. These are very cute and very versatile, so I think I'm going to keep those. But all these other ones, really, I'm okay with letting them go. I'm not really much of a stiletto person, and I do like these Michael Kors shoes, but honestly, I just think they're going to be too big for me, and you know, I'm okay with letting them go, but I'm going to try them all on anyway. Really happy with this box. I'll order another box probably here next month or so. I get really good results selling these boxes on Poshmark. People really like to buy the shoes. I mean, last time I had some shoes that like I literally just posted the shoe and it was gone. So very good luck with those, and I'm very happy with my box. Definitely be ordering another one. I might try to order a clothing box too. You guys want to check out my Poshmark? I'll leave the link down below. Also check out ThredUp and check out their rescue boxes. I love getting them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one, and have a great day or night. Bye guys.